content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will post daily videos of incoming inventory, all makes, all models, various types of insurance losses. We have 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. Right now you're looking at a 2021 BMW 4 Series M Sport. This vehicle is a freshwater flood damage vehicle. As you can see, no corrosion, no rust under the hood. So far, all pretty good indicators. The vehicle just came in right now, so we're trying to get the vehicle running. We're going to check all the contacts, check all the fluids, just make sure everything's dry before we try and start it. Let's do a quick walk around. So far so good, all good indicators that was not that deep. Do a quick walk around. You know, it's hard to tell because the insurance companies sometimes detail these vehicles before we purchase them, so they're a little deceptive sometimes. We don't win on every flood. Sometimes we buy ones that look like they were low and they come in and they were a lot deeper because the insurance company paid someone to detail it, which is not a good practice on their part, but nothing we can do. It's part of the business. But at least with us, we'll disclose what we find to our buyers, just to make sure the vehicle's described accurately. We take all the risk, and we give you the opportunity to get all the information you need to make a educated purchase from us. The insurance companies don't allow us to inspect the vehicles the way we allow our customers to. Right now, pockets look clean. You can certainly see some water penetrated right there. Yep, there you go. Some water in the back seat. So did definitely get wet inside, but it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. So what we'll do is we'll pull the interior on it. You can see the water line too, right around there. So it was about 3 or 4 inches up of the above the floorboard. Seat tracks look clean. So it was fresh water. Not too bad. There you go. Doesn't look like it reached the seat bottoms. So we're gonna have to pull the interior on this, pull the carpet, clean all the contacts, clean all the modules before we power it up. We'll try to get it running. This way we can demonstrate it running for our customers. This is a very high book value vehicle, close to 65, 70,000. So there's plenty of room for somebody to build this car and save a lot of money. We'll keep you posted. As soon as we have all the details, we'll post it on our website. Thanks for watching.